Hey everyone, I'm your name, and like you, I'm always looking for ways to keep more of my own money. I've been using Rocket Money, formerly known as Truebill, for a while now, and it's legitimately one of the best tools I've added to my personal finance arsenal. Today, I'm skipping the fluff and going straight to the 3 best, most impactful ways Rocket Money has helped me save real cash. Let's dive in. 2. Lightbulb Way 1, the subscription killer. My number 1 favorite feature is the subscription cancellation and management. Before Rocket Money, I had subscription bloat, gym memberships I forgot about, a streaming service I watched once, maybe a random app renewal. Here's how it works for me. Automatic identification. Rocket Money scans my linked accounts and instantly flags every single recurring charge. It puts them all in one clean list. The audit. I went through that list and immediately saw I was paying for 3 separate cloud storage services. I canceled 2 right there. That was an instant saving of about $15 a month. The easy button. For the tough ones, like that one annual software license, I used their Cancel for Me service. I authorized them, and they handle the entire process. No more calling customer service or hunting down hidden unsubscribed links. The takeaway, this feature alone pays for the cost of the app, usually within the first month, just by eliminating forgotten services. 3. Magnifying glass tilted left way 2, the bill negotiator. Next up, the feature that actually lowers my fixed monthly costs, bill negotiation. This one feels like magic, but it's just smart automation. I link my internet/cable bill and my cell phone bill. These are services where loyalty often gets you a worse deal than new customers. My experience. I authorized Rocket Money to negotiate on my behalf. Within about 10 days, I got an email notification saying they successfully lowered my internet bill by $10 a month by finding a better plan or discount. They took a small success fee, but that $10 saving is pure profit every month going forward. It's recurring savings. It's not a one-time trick, it's a permanent adjustment. Pro tip, if you have any service where you're paying more than you think you should, like insurance or cable, give this a shot. It requires 0 effort from you. 4. Bar Chart Way 3, Smart Spending Insights. Finally, the foundation of saving, understanding where your money actually goes. Rocket Money excels at turning chaotic transaction data into actionable insights. It goes beyond just showing you a chart. It flags spending anomalies. For instance, last month, it alerted me that my dining out spending was 25% higher than the previous 2-month average. This immediate feedback allowed me to adjust my behavior in real time, not just after the month ended. I cooked at home more the last week of the month. It also helps with custom budgeting. I set a strict limit for shopping, and the app gives me a clear visual progress bar toward that limit. The bottom line here, it removes the guesswork from budgeting. You can't save what you don't track accurately, and Rocket Money tracks it perfectly. 5. White heavy checkmark conclusion and call to action. So, those are my top 3, subscription cancellation, bill negotiation, and real-time spending insights. They all work together to close the leaks in your budget. If you're tired of overpaying for things you forgot about or services you can get cheaper, I genuinely recommend giving it a try. Thanks for watching. I hope this gave you a clear, straight-to-the-point look at how Rocket Money can help you save money. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more no-nonsense finance tips. I'll see you in my next video.